Shimla Conference held in 1972 between Zulfiqar Bhutto and Indira Gandhi. Kartarpur Corridor established on 12 November 2019 on 550th anniversary of Guru Nanak. It is situated in Narwal district, Tehsil Shakargarh, Punjab. General Qamar Javed Bajwa was from 62nd PMA Long Course. Ram Mandir has been constructed on the place of Babri Mosque, which was demolished by Hindus in 1992. India's holy river is Ganga. Shakespeare was famous for prose. How many projects are under OBOR? Means one belt, one road. 5. Highest waterfall is Angel, that is situated in Venezuela, South America. Bhutto was 9th PM. Mir Zafrullah Khan Jamali was 15th PM. Pakistan-China border was established in 1963 by Bhutto from Pakistan side. After Yahya Khan, Bhutto came into power. Pakistan left Commonwealth in January 1972 and rejoined in 1989. General Zia's plane crashed on 17 August 1988. Biggest ocean of the world is Pacific. First flight was taken by Wright Brothers. Laughing gas is called nitrous oxide. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Father of surgery is Al-Zahrawi. The only Pakistani female filmmaker to get an Oscar award is Sharmeen Obaid Chinoy. Babul Islam is said to sin. Shrine of Baba Farid is in Pakpatan. Nishtar Hospital is in Multan. Jansher Khan belongs to squash. Pakistan has won squash world team titles for 6 times. Allama Iqbal wrote Shikwa in 1909. Allama Iqbal had 2 sons. Allama Iqbal used to teach in Oriental College and Government College, Lahore. Allama Iqbal visited Afghanistan in 1933. The first book of Iqbal was Asrar-e-Khud.